Hi, my name is Roberta Spigarelli and I'm responsible for training, product training in Bang & Olufsen. And here we are presenting our full surround setup. We have BeoVision Harmony, that is like our latest TV, together with a system that is 7.0.2. So you have the BeoLab 90 in the front, left and right. And then you have on the two sides BeoSound shape that you can see over there in blue and in white. And on the back you have our BeoSound shape. The customer basically can select the shape he wants and the power he wants, so the number of amplifier and speakers you want in the system. The TV can handle up to 16 channels for a full surround setup. So I'll invite you to enjoy the show and have fun with us. And if you can zoom back also to show the... Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? And the company website is www.banganolusen-.com.